Hi there, we're at Carlovers, Newcastle, and we're looking at the newest Petit installation. With me is Glenn Vanderberg, who's the distributor of Petit machines in Australia. Take it away, Glenn.
How's it going? There's a brand new Petit AccuTrack 360Is here. We've got one bay up and running already. We're on bay 2 here at the moment, so this machine's about ready to be powered up and run. So they've renovated the wash bay here, painted the floors, replacing an older touch-free machine, and we're also doing a third bay next to us here, which is about 80% complete as well. So this is probably one of the busier touch-free in-bay sites in Australia, and as you can see, they've got quite a queue lined up already, and they're managing to pick up a minute and a half to 2 minutes per wash. So it's going to be quite a lot faster than the existing equipment, and hopefully quite a lot more reliable and offer better wash quality too.
All right, you're on.
So with our installation work, it's where we sort of specialise, and we've been importing the equipment here for about 2.5 years, but we're really trying to lift the quality of the installation. So we're doing a lot of work, as you can see, in stainless steel, trying to minimise any points of failure out of the system as we can. So on this site, we've got about a 30 to 40 metre long run from the pump stand to the plant room out to the wash bay. That's all run in seamless stainless steel tube across the roof. Just trying to minimise any flexible hose that we can, and it's gone up really well. We're very happy. So on the Petit bridge here, you can sort of see that the design is very, very simple. So they've basically designed the machine to remove as many electrical components off the bridge as possible and move them to the plant room. So when you come out and actually look at the machine, there's very little out here, and inherently what's out here is all stainless steel. Or nylon, there's nothing that can rust or degrade, so this machine will last very, very long. So one of the really nice features on the AccuTrack is that we don't have any breakaway bolts. So on the two arms, they've got a big spring detent, so if the car does manage to hit them, they'll basically swing out of the way, pull back into position, and automatically reset. If that happens during the wash cycle, the arms will move away from the car, and try a second time, and the car will just continue to wash from the out position. We have two arms on this machine and a top nozzle, so we have one cat 35-35 to run the top nozzles, and one cat 35-35 to run the side arms. So we're able to do an entire pass of pre-soak in one pass. We're not having to do multiple passes around the car to complete each process. So, and as you can see, it's just very, very heavily built, very durable, and a great piece of equipment. So, running two cat pumps, we're running the side arms and the top nozzles at 1050 psi. Instead of using an individual fan nozzle and trying to get some overlap where we lose a lot of energy in that water, we're using a heavier jet of water that's fine, and we use less nozzles. To get the coverage, we actually oscillate the nozzles up and down. So when you're sitting in the car, the customer experience is quite a bit different. You feel the car jostling and moving around, and it's very different. You definitely feel that level of pressure hit the car a lot more.
Excellent. Okay. Hi there, I'm at Carlovers, Newcastle. Looking at the new Petit install. There's 3 machines here. Jackson for Carwash Supply is going to guide us through, and take it away, Jackson.
So as you can see here, we've got our service run for the Petits. We had to run this while the laser washers were still active, so we didn't lose any downtime on the site. We got 12 stainless steel lines running out, 4 to each machine. They run up over here. You can see the old below us, new stuff on the right. All the way around, that all covered up. Job fades 1, 2, 3, all in order. So if anything gets there, out this way, you see more drop off to each bay. Nice and neat, never has to be replaced. That's sort of it, all covered from the sun, nice and easily accessible. Sort of a priority out here.
So this site is unique in that it uses hot water, right? Is that right?
No, this one doesn't, but it uses bore water.
Oh, okay.
And then they treat that, they soften that bore water, and then they have big RO system as well, with big holding tanks in the clear. And the bore water seems to work pretty good. after it's been softened. You actually see the colour of the tanks when the bore water's brown in the tank, and then as soon as it's been softened, it's nice and clear. So,
Oh, really?
Yeah, it does a really good job of it. They're all clear tanks, so you can actually see the water in them too. So
Okay. We'll just take a pause. I'm just going to do a playback, make sure.